Hello everyone. Choosing between Influxdb and Timescaledb is a big decision for any data project. Today we'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you decide which one fits your specific needs. Let's start with Influxdb. Think of it as a specialist. It was created specifically for time series data. It's excellent at ingestion, which is just a fancy way of saying it can record data points very fast. He uses a unique way of organizing data that saves a lot of disk space. This is perfect if you're saving thousands of tiny updates every second. TimescaledDB is more like an all-rounder. Because it's built inside PostgreSQL, it can do everything a normal database can do, plus time series tracking. He uses a similar structure of tables and columns. This makes it very easy to plug into existing apps or tools that your team is already using today. When it comes to performance, InfluxDB is built to handle huge bursts of data without slowing down. It's a favorite for IoT sensors and system monitoring. It keeps things simple so it can stay fast. TimescaledDB shines when you need to ask complex questions. If you need to compare today's sensor data against a list of specific customers stored in another table, Timescale makes that easy. It handles high cardinality better, which basically means it stays fast even if you're tracking millions of different individual devices at once. For developers, the learning curve is a factor. Most people already know SQL, which gives Timescale a head start. InfluxDB has worked hard to make their system more user-friendly lately, but it still feels like a more specialized tool that requires its own set of rules. In short, pick InfluxDB for high volume, simple metrics, and easy setup. Pick TimescaledDB if you want the power of SQL and need to combine your time data with other types of business information. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.